If your Honda Ridgeline's Apple CarPlay is acting up or refusing to connect, we can solve it with these 5 proven steps. Statistically, the vast majority of connectivity issues are traced back to a faulty or uncertified lightning cable rather than the truck itself. Let's start the diagnosis by checking the simplest components before moving to the software settings. Follow these 5 steps in order to reset the handshake between your iPhone and the Ridgeline's infotainment system. If the hardware is fine, double-check your iPhone's software restrictions and ensure your iOS version is fully up to date. On the Ridgeline screen, verify that your device hasn't been accidentally disabled in the smartphone connection menu. Wired connections usually suffer from physical wear, while wireless adapters often struggle with signal interference. As the data shows, simply swapping your cable resolves the issue for nearly 2/3 of Ridgeline owners. Performing a hard reboot of the Honda audio system can clear deep-seated software glitches in seconds. You don't need expensive tools. A high-quality cable and a way to clean your ports are usually enough. A quick test with a different phone will immediately tell you if you need to visit the dealer or just fix your settings. If these steps helped you get back on the road with CarPlay, hit the like button and subscribe for more Ridgeline tips.